Lionesses could learn something here from the elephants. Elephant mothers unite huge families and are strong enough to rule them. The matriarchs enable calves to have long, safe childhoods, a decade of learning. A birth is one of the most emotional times in a herd. After 22 months, the newborn arrives at 250 pounds. The enthusiastic greeting is like a collective hysteria. Some hours later, the calf is still surrounded, mostly by cousins and aunts wanting to help him up. His mother lets the over-enthusiastic relatives fuss over the calf. If all goes well, they'll share in the mothering. Such close ties around a baby are bound to cause friction. A male wants to mate with one of the calf's admirers, but of course, she's more interested in the baby. The bull gives the source of his frustrations a shove. The newborn then gets a foot in the face. The mothers close ranks around the baby, but again, the bull vents his anger. For an hour, he's kicked around like a football, as emotional animals feel frustration or protection. The bull is aware of what he's doing and knows just how far he can go. In the end, he gives up, and the calf can finally follow the smell of milk to the source. A day or two later, one of his aunts touches him with her tail, lines up carefully, and wham! We don't know what made her kick the calf. There are bound to be jealousies around a new baby, yet her anger too seems controlled. A rational mind is helpful in coping with emotional moments, like having a newborn in the herd.